Friends.
Friends.
Nothing but time to make up your mind. I'll give you all that you need.
I love you.
I love you too.
Don't you know my love is real? You should know by now, this much is true. My love is here.
Nandiyan ka lang.
Walang kiss? Lips to lips.
Wala.
Kawawa naman ako. Wala bang babaong kiss? Para safe naman yung trip ko. Sige na! Kamusta naman yung girlfriend na mahal ko pero hindi ko girlfriend?
Eto, ganun pa rin. Mahal na mahal ka pa rin kahit hindi kita boyfriend. Wow! Grabe naman yung definition yun na...
Hi, Dad! This is Nene. Siya yung matagal ko na sa'yong gusto ipakilala. Hi ka, bilis!
Teka, nasa mo yung daddy mo? Talaga ipapadala mo yan sa kanya?
Oo, nasa Australia siya. May naayos na business. Pero mamaya makikita niya ito lahat. Para updated siya. Hi, Dad! Hi, Nang!
Hello, sir!
O, di ba, Dad? Ganda-ganda niya. Bagay na bagay kami, di ba? Guwapo! Maganda!
Yabang!
Bakit? Mahal na mahal mo naman ako.
Ayaw naman, walang duda yun. Mahal na mahal kita.
Sweet pa, Dad.
You're right beside me in my heart.
Ang problema mo sa buhay. All the pain and misery sasabay sa dali ng tubig na to. Para mawala lahat ng problema mo sa buhay.
Parang kang sira.
Sumakay ka na lang.
Oh, tingnan mo! Tingnan mo! Tumatawa ka na! Oh, effective, di ba?
Ba't tama na? Ikaw talaga!
Yeah! Success!
You should know by now, this much is true for you. Time, nothing but time to make up. Words, nothing but words for me to show.
Dance with me.
How much my love for you unfolds through trouble and fears. This love feels so real, and I need you to know, even though we're far apart.
Kalimutan mo muna ang lahat.
Right beside me in
Just think of this moment.
Don't you know my love is here? Don't you know my love?
Now look into my eyes.
You should know by now, this much is true. My love is here for you.
Whatever you find there,
This love feels so free, and I need you to know, even though we're far apart, you're right beside me in my heart. Don't you know my love is here? Don't you know?
recently, my life with you has been a Ferris wheel ride. Exciting. Nakakagulat. Hindi mo alam kung kailan naakyat at babagsak. Kung kailan babagal at kailan bibilis. Akala mo okay na. Biglang hindi pa pala. Hindi mo alam kung sisigaw ka, o matatawa, o iiyak, o masusuka. Kasi iba't ibang emosyon ang hatid because of its unpredictable twists and turns.
I want you to know I'll never let go.
Kita?
You come back to me, even though you're far away. I'm right beside you day by day. Don't you know my love is here?
I love you, Joe.
Don't you know
I love you more.
love is real? You should
I love you na sobra, 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 sobra.
this much is true.
I love you, ne! Sobra, 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 sobra!
Sobra, 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 sobra. I love you.
I love you, ne! 1,000 million times! Sobra, 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 sobra!
Ako rin. Super 1 million times. Sobra, sobra.
I love you, ne! Sobra, 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 sobra!
Though we're far apart, you're right beside me in my heart. Don't you know my love?
Ang pag-ibig pala ay may sariling panahon kung saan ito'y magkakaroon ng pagkakataon upang magbigay ng bahagi sa bawat isa. Isang bagay na hindi ko nagawa noon. Sa taong lubos na nagmahal at nagbigay sa akin, wala akong naibigay kundi pasakit. At marami pang pasakit kung hindi ko natutunan ang humiwalay, magtiis, magpakatatag at maghintay. Sa araw na kaya ko na magbigay ng aking bahagi na walang halong pait, luha at dulot na sakit.
Puso mo'y
I would like to present to you Mr. and Mrs. John Joseph Wenceslao.
muli at muli kang nagmamahal.
You may now kiss your bride.
Lahat ay malilimot mo. Ngunit hindi ang iyong unang halik, unang tibok ng pusong sabik. Isang saglit lang nang matikman, isang saglit lang.